Hello and welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this mauve smoky look, which is perfect for autumn, and you can kind of like take it from day to night. It's a little bit smokier because, you know, the temperature has dropped, we can go a little bit smoky and we can wear a little bit more makeup. So if you like this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so I've already clipped my hair back. I've got some bronzing drops on already, so I'm gonna kind of like just do that for the skin. Please ignore my voice. I've kind of been down with an illness for the last like week or so, and it's pretty much gone other than the fact that I lost my voice with it. But we are troopers here. My eyebrows, this is, okay, I'm gonna put this one down because this is kind of like, there's literally nothing left in that. Got the NYX Brow Glow instead, which I don't like as much, but I do have it, so this is what I'm going to be using. So for concealer, I'm going to do the NYX Bear With Me Serum Concealer. I have not used this in ages. I actually don't even really remember what this is like. I've mainly been using my Maybelline one. So I just thought this would be like a nice little autumny, autumnal, fall, whatever inspired look, because autumn is literally my favourite. I love summer, but I also really love the autumn. And I'm kind of just using this little brush to pop it on any like red spots or anything, little redness. And then I'm going to blend it in with a brush. I feel like I am technically using this as a foundation, but doesn't count. Ooh, I forgot how well this blended actually. I've gone through quite a few tubes of this concealer, and it's kind of like the #1 concealer I used at uni. It is too great. I just want a little bit more where I need it. I feel like because my house is a little bit warm right now, definitely not helping that, but here we are. I'm hoping that my voice kind of sounds okay-ish, because I've kind of committed to this now and it's not going to be a voiceover video, so see what happens. Goodness. Yeah, I love this concealer. Definitely forgotten how good this actually is. I feel like the coverage is really good and it's a really good price point as well. My goodness. One side of my mirror is like normal and the other side is like magnified, and I keep on forgetting, and I look into the magnified one and I'm like, that is a certified jump scare, if I do say so myself. Bronzer wise, goodness, I think I'll push the boat out slightly and put on this Milk bronzer. Ooh, with lovely hair on it as well. I feel like I definitely need a lot of bronzer today. To add a little bit of colour to my face. The Milk is in the shade Baked. I just know I'm gonna regret having done my eyebrows first. But here we are. We prevail. I really hope that I don't have like makeup blindness. Also, I'm on a swivel chair, so don't mind me just swiveling every once in a while. I feel like if anything, possibly like bronzer blindness. I don't know, I hope I don't, because I do love bronzer. And I feel like I put on like an acceptable amount of bronzer because I kind of always want to look bronzed no matter what time of year it is. So that would be really upsetting if I in fact have been delusional the whole time. I say put normal bronzer. I feel like that looks okay. Like that looks normal to me. So for blush, I've got a couple of different options. I've got Azalea by Rose Ink or Glossier Cloud Paint in Storm, which are both gorgeous kind of like berry colours. I'm feeling like quite a mauvey colour, so I'll see how I make that. So they're both kind of, they're berry colours. I do like a berry though. Could work. I feel like they're both quite berry coloured. I might do Storm actually. I Glossier, I love the cloud paints. I just love the formulas. Just gonna put a little bit. That's definitely too much. Let's see if I can like pump a little bit back in. I'd even try and mix it with a little bit of this other one, which is Wisp, which is a little bit more cool toned. See how that works. Hopefully I don't hate it. Okay, that's quite cute. It's definitely giving like more of the mauve vibe that I was going for. And then of course going to put it on with my usual Real Techniques cheek brush. Which I think is their contour brush originally. Goodness, that's very cool toned. I really hope I'm not blush blind. I'm gonna pop a little bit over my eyes as well, just kind of like tighten a little bit. So if I'm wearing more of like a berry colour, I feel like it's quite nice to put a little bit more of a berry colour over my eyes as well. Possibly doesn't make me look like I have pink eye, possibly, but I feel like it makes it quite nice and cohesive. And then I'm just going to tap down a little bit of the blush. So I always go too heavy-handed with my concealer brush. Yeah, I'd say that's quite cute in the movie. That's definitely what I'm going for. Can I do eyeshadow? I don't know. I think I might do a little bit of a smoky moment. Because I saw this photo of, what's her name? I saw this photo of Hailey Bieber, and she had like a very smoky looking eye. With a very smoky wing. And as a fellow smoky wing enthusiast, I could not say no. So put a little bit of that on there. This is just the Rimmel, what's it called? Scandaleyes brow pencil? Brow pencil? I don't know. The brain is just not braining, but I kind of decided that I really wanted to film this video, so I thought I would do that. I hope when I listen to this audio I'm not just like, why did I do that? But we shall prevail. going to pop a little bit underneath as well, because I do like it when that happens, like a little bit of smokiness, not loads. So I feel like it's nicer to go a little bit smokier for like autumn, winter, because I feel like it just adds a little bit more drama. And I feel like the season is just a little bit more drama, so it's just quite cool. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Gonna unclip if it will let me. Goodness, how did that get stuck in there? Okay, unclipped. What else am I gonna do? I'm gonna do a movie lip. I don't think I'm gonna do mascara today, just because I really can't be bothered to take it off, to be entirely honest. I don't always wear mascara, so today is just kind of like no exception. And I feel like your makeup always looks like that, bit more like natural when you don't wear mascara, even if you're wearing a smoky wing. I feel like that side looks more smoky. Try and make it even. We are bringing Brat back into autumn, because why not? Ooh, I might do a little bit of this. I used this in my last video as well, which is the Revlon Colour Stay eyeshadow in the shade Caramel. And I just think that would be quite nice to add to the wing. It doesn't cause a load of fallout, of course. I think it'd be quite cool to do like a metallic-y wing. And maybe that hasn't dropped on me actually. It does come with this cute little brush in there, so I'm just using that to add a little more depth. So I feel like that eyeliner is quite shimmery, like it's a little bit shimmery, but I feel like that's just added a little bit more shimmer. And it's lighter as well, so we're just gonna smudge that out slightly as well, because I do not want anything to look too done. This was meant to be a very, very natural look, but can't help myself with a smoky wing. I feel like with a little bit of mascara, that's like perfect going out makeup. I always like to kind of go under my finger, like under my eye with my finger, to get a little bit more of a blend and take away a little bit of that drama, especially if it's kind of like for a daily basis. But I just think that it takes it down a little bit. You can always add it up and add like a liquid eyeliner for like the night, but that will do me. I did not bring a lip liner up with me, so we're just gonna pop on the lipstick without. I think it would look better with like a brown, but this is what we're doing. So for context, for how I ended up losing my voice, I went out to like this bar, and essentially everyone who went to this bar, turns out we all got ill. So not ideal. And it's definitely kind of like wiped me out for the week. At this point, I think I sound worse than I actually am. But here we are. Oh, this lipstick's just gorgeous. This is Pony. by Glossier. You know what, I might actually tie it in, put a little bit on my cheeks actually. Is that gonna work? Do I pick it up from like my hand, or do I just dip straight into it? I don't know how much colour this is gonna give off, but I think this will give off like a really nice glow. I do like when my makeup does tie in. I've been known to wear like blush as a lipstick, and then lipsticks are blushes, of course. Not saying I'm original with this one, but I think it always looks super cute when you do it. Just going into it. I think this is one of my top favourite lipsticks anyways. It's like the absolute perfect lipstick for autumn fall, because it's just so cute. I've definitely gone overboard with blush now. We're going to take down some of that drama a little bit. That's the beauty of like not setting my skin already. I'm able to just kind of like get over it. This is the makeup that I like to do. I like to be able to put a little bit extra on of this, take a little bit down of that. I like to have a lot of playtime with my products, so I can really get the look that I'm wanting to get. I might actually... Why? Do I have a shimmery thing for the inner corner? I do. I have this Amrezy highlighter, which I'm just going to pop in the inner corner, just to add a little bit of glitz. So I feel like I always like my makeup more when I've got a little something in the inner corner. And then I'll blend it out with this BH Cosmetics brush. That was definitely not precise application. That's also the great thing about this concealer. I feel like you can layer it up as well. Even after it's dried, you can kind of layer a little bit on and it just looks gorgeous. No, I did not bring powder, so we're going to be powderless. Pretend I put on some form of powder. If I was going to actually leave the house, I would be doing that, but no, for the meantime, this is the look. I hope you like it, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!